And I do want to tell you that companies are willing to pay you thousands of dollars to clip videos for them. Entrepreneurs like myself. I mean, think about me. I go live Monday through Friday, every single day, 5 days a week, 2 hours at a time. That's like 10 hours of content. If there are people that are really good at clipping, those people could come to me and say, hey, listen, here's some examples of my work. I can take your content and I can turn it into short little clips that are like 60 seconds each, where I edit them. I got nice music, some captions, some little emojis, and I can edit these and I can give you a content vault where literally you're posting twice a day on TikTok without having to do anything, Chris. And here's my monthly fee. It's $3,000 a month or $4,000 or $5,000 a month, whatever. That's an opportunity. Someone like me is like, wait, hold on. So I could have content, my own content, and I look good, and it's really actually really cool, and it draws people into my link in the bio so I can make sales from it, and you're willing to do it all for just thousands of dollars a month. That's a no-brainer. It is once you learn this skill can make you a 6-figure income alone, just because there's so many people that want it.